Hi, I'm Mr. Smith and I teach history and Bible, and I'm so much looking forward to the opportunity of being with you during this time that seems like very uncertain times that we find ourselves in. And while we don't know what the future holds, certainly we know who holds the future. And our God is so good, and He had all of this planned. I am in no way here to replace your amazing teachers that you already have, but we are here to come alongside and to support you in any way that we can during this time. And boy, what a time to study government and economics and to see how all of this is playing out and to make that information jump off of the page into our everyday lives. I hope you enjoy the courses, and I hope that we can be a huge benefit to you.